welcome to QReport. I'm Jay. This quick tutorial will explain you how you can track your wholesale orders at our new ERP Wholesale Ordering System. First thing you have to do is to log into your account. Once you're logged in, just go click on this account button right here or your name, and you will be landing on your account dashboard. Click on your order history. And here you have all the orders you have placed so far. And on your order, for each order, you just look under the boxes. These boxes mean that how many boxes was packed for your order and shipped. So just click on the number of boxes right here, and you can see your shipping fee for each box. And you can see the tracking number for each box. And you just click on your tracking number right here, and you will be landing on your tracking page for that shipping company. So this is linked to your the tracking number is linked to the shipping company tracking page. So once you click on that one, you will exactly land on this page. Otherwise, if it's not the case, then you can what you can do is you can copy the tracking number and click on the track now button and import the tracking number to track. For example, copy the tracking number, click on track now, input the tracking number here, and then click on track, and you're on the tracking company courier the courier company tracking page, and you will be able to track the shipping right away. So tracking your order is very simple, like ABC. So this is it. I hope it's clear for you. If you have any questions or concerns, you can comment below in the comment section, or you can contact us anytime. We will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.